This video provides an overview of optimal formulation. Making formulated products is complicated. The products must be of consistent quality. The products must meet composition compliance regulations, and the products must be the lowest cost in their category in order to be competitive. Formulation drives all three goals. Optimal formulation provides formulation optimization through all phases of formulation: product development, procurement, production allocation, and blend assembly and correction. Creating optimal recipes in each phase of formulation. Optimal formulation enables users to achieve measurable savings of 3% or more of materials cost. See how Optimal uniquely enables you to achieve savings in formulation, better manage your supply chain, and better perform materials management. Optimization is based on linear and integer programming, a form of complex mathematics that enables generating optimal solutions. However, optimal formulation users do not need to worry about the complex mathematics. Optimal formulation is formula optimization that ensures formulation for quality composition compliance and minimal cost procurement and recipes. Optimal Answers considers formulation to be the most important function in the manufacturing of formulated products. Formulation primarily determines the cost, composition compliance, and quality of products. Formulation decisions are made continuously for product development, procurement, production allocation, blend assembly, and blend correction. What could be more important than formulation? Every product has its own constraints or specifications. Further, many ingredients can be used for making most any formulated product. These ingredients vary in price, composition, available quantity, available date, expiration date, and other factors. Indeed, an infinite number of acceptable recipes exists for most any formulated product. However, only one will be minimum cost and make the product specifications. Formula optimization is the only means to determine the optimal recipe. Our goal is not to just formulate one product at a time. Our goal is to formulate all products for the continuous process of procurement, production planning, lot sequencing, and blend assembly and blend correction. To obtain the minimum cost for all products through these phases of formulation, formula optimization is required. The most important feature of optimal formulation is that it features multiple modules that address all phases of formulation. These modules include single product for product development, the term of planning for procurement, production planning, and lot allocation for production allocation, and single product and multi-level models for blend assembly and blend correction. Formulating a single recipe is difficult enough, but in the planning and scheduling phases of formulation, users must consider individual lots of materials from different suppliers with different costs, available quantities, available dates, and expiration dates, plus more, as well as the specifications for the individual products that must be formulated. Ultimately, procurement personnel need to know the truckloads, in this example, to receive from each supplier of each material on each day that meets the manufacturing requirements and inventory constraints at the minimum cost. Optimal formulation optimizes this decision. The Formula Summary Report presents the manufacturing requirements or formula summary for a one-week schedule. To present the report in a single slide, Monday and Friday are presented. This report presents the manufacturing requirements for the week and includes the total cost of procurement as well as the cost per pound of the products manufactured. The Purchased Items Report presents the weight of the purchases, the total purchase costs, and the cost per pound. Optimal formulation enables entering data for the truckload quantity and optimizing to full truckloads of the ingredients purchased. In this example, production planning typically formulates over a period of 2 to 5 days. At this point in the formulation process, materials are ordered when the changes are likely occurring in the manufacturing requirements and arrival date of the materials. Production planning identifies any shortage of materials and also determines the optimized utilization of materials reaching their expiration date. The lot allocation model typically sequences lots into batches in the forthcoming planning period, normally a shift or a day. Lot allocation enables sequencing individual lots into batches of product in a manner that first ensures that once an individual item begins to be used, that it is used until it is completely consumed before switching to another lot of the same ingredient. As well, lot allocation ensures that ingredients that must be used before they expire are consumed in the manufacturing schedule if they expire within the planning period, and to have the overall least cost ingredient lots that must be hoarded and reserved for later batches in order to be able to meet the manufacturing requirements and at the minimum cost. In this example, we have 6 batches of product to be made 1 hour between batches. We also have inventory, including lots that are expiring during the production, as well as lots that are older than other lots. Optimal Formulation generates batch recipes for each batch and optimizes the use of lots considering page and expiration dates. Lot allocation can optimize on the basis of available date, expiration date, or best use. Optimal Formulation is also used for generating recipes for blend and pre-blend assembly, as well as blend correction. This is the last chance for optimizing the use of protein, water, and other composition components for the appropriate regulations applying to the product being formulated. Optimal Formulation can also formulate a multi-level sub-formula formulation. In this example, the pre-blend is for a fat and lean formulation system and are optimally formulated. As well, in the blend correction step, the optimized quantities of correct errors are calculated. Optimal Formulation enables data exchange with other data sources for information used in performing optimizations. As well, solutions can be exported to other systems. Optimal Formulation can be tightly integrated with the ERP systems to facilitate data exchange. Optimal Formulation provides formulation optimization through all phases of formulation: product development, procurement, production allocation, and blend assembly and correction. Creating optimal recipes in each phase of formulation, Optimal Formulation enables users to achieve measurable savings of 3% or more of materials cost. Thank you for watching our overview of Optimal Formulation. Remember, when you need to see results that are as close to perfect as possible, let Optimal Answers help you.